Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock your PhonePe account quickly and safely using the official support page. If your account has been restricted or temporarily blocked, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you recover access easily. Make sure to watch till the end, and please subscribe for more helpful app and payment tutorials. Let's begin. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version for smooth performance. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies before starting. That helps avoid any login, errors, or old session issues. Next, go to the search bar and type PhonePe account unblock support or simply PhonePe support. Then tap on the first official link that appears. It should be from phonepe.com. Always check the website URL to make sure you're on the genuine PhonePe site before entering any information. Once you're on the official support page, enter your registered mobile number. Tap Next, and log in to your account. Double-check that the number you enter matches the one linked to your PhonePe account. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it from that same page. After you log in, tap on the back button in the top left corner to return to the main support menu. Then look for and select Unable to use PhonePe. Inside that section, scroll until you find Account is blocked. This is where you'll be able to submit a request to unblock your account. Make sure to carefully read any notes or instructions provided by PhonePe before proceeding. Now, attach any required files that prove your identity or account ownership, such as an ID card, bank statement, or registered email confirmation. Once everything's ready, tap Send to submit your request. And that's it. You've successfully requested to unblock your PhonePe account. The support team will review your details and contact you through your registered phone or email. Be patient, as it might take a little time for verification. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might be facing the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful guides on PhonePe, online payments, and app tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.